Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. Today we are trying the Alo Yoga Airbrush High Waist Flutter Leggings, the Goddess Ribbed Cropped Dynamite Tank, and the Airlift High Waist Street Goddess Leggings. First up, we have the Street Goddess Leggings. These leggings are marketed as the first of its kind, a 100% essential. The leggings feature what Alo calls an epic fusion of our fave fabrics, with ultra sculpting airlift fabric through the knee and contouring rib airlift panels at the hips. From the bottom of the knee to the hem, these leggings feature Alo's classic and iconic ruching effect. And there are zippers on the exterior of each ankle. Alo suggests you pair these leggings with a crop top and wear them anywhere. We decided to pair this with the Goddess Rib Cropped Dynamite Bra Tank. Alo calls this top so explosive, which I'm not quite sure that I understand. In any case, they call this the bold and street ready crop with a stunning high neck silhouette. It is made from their ultra soft and supportive ribbed airbrush material, which truly felt both supportive and lightweight at the same time. Although I think I'm personally in between sizes. Check out our other try-on to see me size down in a size extra small. Next up, we have the Airbrush High Waist Flutter Leggings. These are beautiful bell-bottom leggings with a slit right down the middle of the ankle. Alo calls these leggings a new silhouette for a new day. They are truly refreshing, a perfect fit, a great uplift, and overall just made me feel really fabulous. The one downfall I will say is that I do think Alo had a different muse in mind in terms of height. Now let's review. The Goddess leggings were very cool in the photo, but for me they were a little bit of a weird fit. I'm definitely not a fan of how they feel on, but maybe they still look cool. Let me know if you would recommend these in the comments below. Maybe if your gym is very public, these could be a vibe with a touch of fashion, but otherwise I don't think they're very practical. Okay, let's review the Flutter leggings. I absolutely love this fit, although they felt like they got a little tighter after I sat down for a few minutes. Has anyone else noticed that? Anyway, I felt confident in these. The only issue is the length, which I'm sure can be hemmed. As always, thanks for watching and subscribe for more.